girl. Yay! Yay! Who's a big girl? I told you it'd fly farther.
That's really cool, Mom.
Do it again.
You can send it to Daddy. Jace.
It's a video, not a picture. Say hi, Ella. Hi, Ella.
Mom. Send a video like this to Daddy.
Gentle. Let go of her. Thank you. What do you want to say to Daddy?
Hello, Pickles.
Pickle. You're silly.
Help, Pickle, what are we